Hi everybody, in today's video I want to talk about the GPT Store. So I just went on vacation for about a month or so and I come back and really there's been no update on the GPT Store, which is kind of disappointing. Let's roll back the clock a bit. If you recall, it was 9 months ago when OpenAI announced GPTs, and there was a fever gold rush of building all these GPTs, and people were scrambling to figure out how to do this. And there was a lot of excitement, a lot of energy. And then a few months later, and then on January 10th, they introduced the GPT Store, and this really got people excited. They could build their GPTs, put them in the store, or put their existing GPTs into this new store that they created, and it was like a huge hit. People were building GPTs by the dozens. I think I mentioned in one of the previous videos, it's a very low barrier to entry. All you had to do was have an account with OpenAI and you could get your GPT in the store. New featured GPTs every week, and I think, I think thousands and thousands of GPTs were built. But one of the questions was, builders can earn based on GPT usage. So this was, again, this was January 10th, right here. January 10th. And if we go back down here, you can see, let me go back up a little more. Builders can earn based on GPT usage. This was in Q1. We will launch a GPT revenue builder program. Well, it is now what are we in now? Q3. We are kind of in halfway into Q3, and there's still no revenue sharing program as of yet. And honestly, the whole GPT, the whole GPT industry or ecosystem is kind of died out. There's not a lot of excitement behind it, but this is still out there. This hasn't gone away. We are still waiting on that. Now, that said, OpenAI has announced that this was back in the springtime, I think it was late March maybe, that they were planning to open up the revenue sharing program to specific people, or a select number of people that could trial it, and they were going to just see how things work, tinker around with it, and get it fine-tuned before any wide rollout. So, but they have provided some more information on their website. Again, here it is. This is just updated over a week ago. It is now, August 9th, August 10th. We are partnering with a small group of builders to test GPT earnings based on usage. Again, this was mentioned back in March. How can I be selected? Selection is currently limited, of course. We haven't heard of anybody who has been selected, has been using it, has been earning any money. How does it work? Builders will receive earnings based on their usage. Our goal is to partner with develop builders, blah, blah, blah. Here's the key part. When will monetization be generally available? We hope to allow more builders to monetize their GPTs down the line, and we'll provide more information when we can. So, keyword down the line, or keywords. What does that mean? That could mean later on this year, that could mean next year, that could mean 2 years, or maybe it just doesn't work at all. I don't know, but yeah, this is a sad face there, I guess. If you were hoping to, I know a lot of people just made just so many GPTs. So as you can see, you go to the store, there's lots of GPTs available. I don't know how many. I'd like to know how many more people are building GPTs today versus, let's say, November, December, January, February. My guess it's way, 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 way down because there's just no incentive right now to create these if you are not, if you're not getting any money back and there's no real return on it. So that wraps it up for this quick video. If there's any more information or insights you have, please leave them in the comments. But if you do like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching.